We got our internet box, so now we can install it. Still have to wait till the 15th before we can actually use it, but as I mentioned earlier, when we do get it installed, at least we can watch TV.
Television. We've been living without television for like 2 weeks now.
Wow. End of the world.
It's horrible.
End of the world.
Boxes. Boxes! Boxes.
We spent like ages looking outside of the window, waiting for that guy to...
Isabel heard the car and she was like, I think that's the mailman. So we spent like 20 minutes looking outside, following every step he did. It's like, oh, he's going to the neighbors.
I knew the orange box was ours though.
Isabel's like, he's holding the orange box. That one must be ours.
It didn't take 20 minutes though, but we forgot to film it because we're stupid.
We were too excited.
At least we filmed him driving away. That's something. Wow. A lot of packages.
Whoa, we have like
Wait,
this card.
don't, just make sure that probably has our address, so anything personal, don't show that. The box has our address probably too, somewhere.
This is the Zigga box, this is our address, no.
Yay, what is this? This is probably for internet, that's probably for TV.
No, this is the Zigga box.
TV, and what's this? Oh my god, a lot of stuff.
I thought this would be easy.
I told you it wouldn't be. He was like, oh, it's gonna be no problem. I was like, you're... Robin, I'm serious. That's... Seriously. Oh my god, I'm getting scared already. I don't want you to lose stuff and get it wrong and then have me fix it.
Oh, it has radio.
We're not gonna use radio.
I know, but it has it.
Oh my god.
Okay, what are we...
Well, see you guys later when we install it. We just bought Alex drawers from Ikea and Donboss closets. Oh my god, the lighting here is so bad, but this lamp doesn't work, so we'll just have to deal with it. It doesn't help.
My family came by.
Yep. We're putting it together at, 10 p.m. That's okay. No, what time is it?
Almost 11. It's 10:30.
Oh, it's 10:30 even. Yay.
Isabel, she told me to grab the camera, but I was helping her, so no worries. She's not doing it alone. Hey, Isabel.
Yeah?
Say bye.
Bye.
Hey.
So now we're assembling the Ikea closets, the Alex drawer units. Except one of the railing thingies, no, what's that called?
Railing?
No, I think it's called rails. No. Railing is something else. One of the rails wouldn't come out, so Robin unscrewed it and now he's trying to fix it because it seems to be jammed or something. I mean, show them. It doesn't, it's just stuck. It doesn't.
It should go that way. Yeah. Doesn't do anything.
It doesn't roll or whatever. It's stuck. I expect it to work. We already put two together and they work fine, but this one, it's just stuck. But the annoying thing is, it's not like hey, you fixed it!
Yeah, well, whoever put this here, look, there's a little wedgie there. Yeah?
Yeah.
And the wedgie is supposed to go against this one to stop it from falling out. Whoever assembled this put the wedgie on the other side.
No wonder it didn't work. The annoying thing is these rails, you don't put them there yourself. You just get them like that. So it's not like we made the mistake. We actually just got it like that.
It's all greased up, so
Ew. Don't touch me.
quite interesting.
Luckily my boyfriend fixed it. That's pretty much our day, assembling closets. We have enough left. Then we can get rid of all the boxes over there. Look at all the boxes.
Yeah, let's see.
That's pretty much our day.
Let's
We
find out.
finished it!
Woo! Well, at least one. Look.
Well, one of the two.
Big fruits.
Robin's happy. I'm happy too.
And now they all work.
It looks great. I've always wanted one of these desks. Everyone has them. That's not the reason I want it though.
No, she's literally talking about these desks for like 6 years now. All the time we've been together, as far as I know her. She's like, I want one of those desks.
Yeah. Now we
Now I
finally
have one.
got one. Now he has one.
Well,
he has one before I have one, but mine are here.
Hers is okay.
Ow! Ow! I stepped on that. Ow! 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 Mine are in those boxes. Ow!
She's doing a dance now.
You're really hurt.
Oh, it's not so smart.
Don't help me. Ow! You left that over there. Ow! Look how little space we have. It just fits between the bed and the wall. And we're going to put it here where all the boxes are right now. So we got to get rid of that. We did finish my desk, which is full of crap now because we are assembling that. Whoops. Ugh. Wow, this is a great filming technique.
She dropped the entire closet on my toe.
I didn't mean to.
And now it's broken. It's like split.
It's not broken.
It's split in two.
No, it's not. It didn't actually break.
There's like a fold in it.
No, there's not. It's just bruised. Oh, bad lighting.
There is a fold in it.
But it didn't break.
No, but there's a fold in it.
You said I broke it. It didn't break.
There's like a tear in it.
No, it's not torn. It's bruised.
She's still in denial.
No, I'm serious. If it was torn...
Okay, well, where do we put... Hi.
Cardboard everywhere. This is what happens when you order all your furniture at Ikea. So right now we're going to bring all this to a paper container, which, you know, may seem easy, but we have to do it with the bicycle. So that doesn't make it easy. We have to go at least, you know, a couple of times.
Yeah. Okay.
Most people would do this with a car, but once again, we don't have one. Neither do we have we don't have a driver's license either, so it goes. Dutchie doesn't mind. Dutchie loves cardboard. So, see you guys later. So, this is pretty much what we can fit into our bicycles. It'll be fun if you guys could comment down below how much, not how much we could fit in it, but how many times we have to go back and forth to get rid of all that cardboard. It'll be interesting to see what you guys guess.